Welcome to the official channel of SocioMatix, which is the subsidiary of Webmatics, as you all people know. Today, I am going to share the basics of the WhatsApp marketing software which SocioMatix is presenting to you. Here, in this video, you will learn how to send the bulk messages, the chatbot system of the WhatsApp marketing software, call, text, or URL button you can add in this WhatsApp marketing software. Also, you are going to be able to send images, videos, PDF, and many more media. Also, you can send personalized messages, schedule the campaigns over the WhatsApp. No code chatbot builder is also enabled in this software. This software, the main feature which makes it different from the other softwares in the market is that this software can work offline. It means that you can just have to switch on the internet of the WhatsApp. You don't need to log in this software on the desktop. Also, we are going to provide a number ban protection in this software, which I will give you more information later at the later stage in this video. In this video, we are going to learn these contents. We will start with the accessing the software and signing up and logging up the software. Now we will first learn how to access this software. For this, I am going to the official website of SocioMatix WhatsApp software, which is whatsapp.sociomatics.in. After opening this website, you will get this interface where you can see various tabs like this. If you haven't registered with the SocioMatix already, you can go here and get started. Here you will get the one form where you have to fill the details to create your account. As I have the account already, I will log in from this button. This is a one-time process that you have to create. Now I am using my email ID to sign in and the password which I have saved. You can tick box this button to keep yourself signed in so that you always get logged in whenever you open. You can see the interface of this software. Here you can see various tabs like WhatsApp messages per month. How many WhatsApp messages you are getting in the time of a month. Here you can see the statistics related to bulk messaging. How many bulk messages are there? When you send some messages, suppose you send the bulk message to 700 people, then it will show you how many messages are sent and how many are failed from those bulk messages. This is the data. Here it also displays the data related to autoresponder. You can also see the chatbot, how many chatbots or autoresponder messages are sent and how many chatbots have replied to the messages on the WhatsApp. You can see every statistics day wise on this interface. Now we have to learn the other details, like we see how to sign up and log in. We saw the dashboard interface of the software. Now we are going to see how to add WhatsApp account in it. So while adding WhatsApp account of your business, you just have to click on you have to see all these tabs here. Here there is one logo which says WhatsApp. You have to click here and then add your business WhatsApp account in this. Here there is an option to add any account you can add here. You can also add your personal account. Here you can add the account. You have to click on this add button. After that you will get a QR scanner. On this QR scanner, you have, as you log into the WhatsApp web, in the same way you have to register your WhatsApp here. I am logging in with my WhatsApp. Now my official WhatsApp account is logged in on the SocioMatix website. Now I am going to show you the next content of our video, which is related to adding the autoresponder in your WhatsApp software. Here you can go in the WhatsApp. Here you can see your profile. Here you can see which profile you are working with, which account you have logged in. To check the autoresponder related details, you have to click on these icons. This is the autoresponder. You can see these details of our autoresponder with which you have already contacted or communicated. Here you can see the various tabs. The status is enabled. You can say while developing this, you can check to whom you want to send, whether you want to send to all the people, individual or group only. Here I have selected all. Now here you can set these messages. If the user replies as one, what to do? I mean to get WhatsApp marketing software tool. When you type 1 in our software, you get this tool automatically. When you type 2, you get other things. Like when you type 3, you can go to make the payment directly. So these are the things you can do. Also there are some buttons. You might have seen the buttons in the official websites of official WhatsApp accounts of banks or any other institutions, where you can select on the get mini statement button and you get the statement. This feature is not enabled for people like us right now. It can be used by the verified users only, but we are providing this technology to you in hand whenever WhatsApp team allows personal people, I mean individual people also, to use this feature. You will automatically get this feature in your account. You don't have to pay additional charges for that. So this is the thing we are giving you in extra. Now I am going to show you the sixth point in our chatbot, in our WhatsApp software, that is how to create chatbot. Now I am coming back to the software. Here you can see another logo which is for chatbot. Here you can make the settings that how your chatbot will reply in the WhatsApp messages. Now I have made these settings. Like see here, when you press this, you can get a form like this. You have to fill this form, like status is enabled. Sometimes if you don't want this button, I mean you don't want one to work, you can disable this also. For now it is enabled. Send to all, as I mentioned earlier. Now here there are two options: message contains the keyword or message contains whole keyword. When I select this message contains the keyword, whenever the user types 1, it will the automatic reply will go to the user, which includes this text and media. This is the image which this software will send to the user. Also it will send one message which I have typed here. You can edit it, you can do anything you want. You can remove the image, you can add other media, you can add PDFs, whatever you want you can do here. For adding this, you have to click on the add new button and again fill the same form which I showed just now, which I displayed, that you have to do for this chatbot. Now I am going to show you the next feature of this software, which is related to bulk messaging. Come to this software. Here you can see the icon for bulk messaging. In bulk messaging, you have these 4 options. First, you have to add your contact group for bulk messaging. Here you can see I have already added 2. For your information, I am adding one more count. You can add it from here. The status is enabled. You can give any name of your choice for this. I am giving a name to this group. Here this group is created. Now I have to add the contacts in this group. For adding the contacts, I have to go here. Here, if you have many contacts which are into the Excel file, you can import these contacts from the Excel file as well, or you can import, or you can directly type the numbers you want. Now I am typing here for demo purpose, but you can also add the details from the Excel. You have to add country code before typing the number here. Plus is not mandatory. You can just type 91 and then number. This you can do in this, but the country code is mandatory. So remember to add country code whenever you are adding the contacts. And click on submit. Now you can see it is showing us 2 contacts. Now I am going to create a campaign for bulk messaging. you can see this form. Here it asks for the campaign name. You can give any name to the campaign, like I'm typing here. You can select the contact group. Now I have created one group called demo that I am selecting here, which will go to the 2 users I've added in the demo contact group. Here you can add the any type of media like text, file manager, PDFs, videos, anything you want. Now I am adding text here. You can also add the graphics here, and after that you can select the timing of the posts. Like you can select here if you want to send this on 15th of August. You can check here 15th of August, Happy Independence Day message, and you can also select the time here. Like I want to send it in the morning. In the morning at 7 a.m. I want this message to be sent, so I will select here as 7 a.m. So this message will be automatically sent to the users you have selected at the timing of 15th August 2023 at 7:24 a.m. Here there is one more option called random message interval by minimum and random message interval by maximum, about which I will give more information at the end of this video. Now you have to click on schedule so that this campaign gets scheduled. Now you have successfully scheduled this campaign and you can edit it here. Also you can delete if you don't want to go with this campaign anymore. After that you can see the campaign report in this tab. You have to give the details, like I am selecting. You can select the date, the period for which you want the details to be shown. Now I am selecting 31st August so that I can view the campaign of 15th August I have created. One report will be downloaded in the Excel file. You can see here. Here you can see the WhatsApp report generated for the bulk messages. Here it is showing the status whether this test phase and SocioMatix, this campaign has been sent to this number or not, and what is the status of that campaign, whether it is successfully sent or not. And also you can see minimum and maximum delay here, which I will explain you later. We have completed the details related to bulk messaging. Now we are moving onwards. Now we have to see how to extract group participants for this. You can click here. Export participants in group. Whenever you go to this feature, you will see the list of all the groups with which this account of your WhatsApp is registered. Currently, I am not registered or I am not a participant in any group. That's why it is not displaying anything here. But whenever you click here on that group and you can choose the reload button, you can refresh this, select the group on which you want to export the participants and click on the export. You have to type the same website on the Google of your mobile, whatsapp.sociomatix.app. The same interface which we can see on the desktop will also get displayed on the mobile phone. Here you have to click on these 3 buttons and you can, here I have already logged in one account, so it is displaying this. You have to go to the same procedure which we did earlier. Here you can see all the details. The same WhatsApp software is there which you can use from your mobile phone as well. This is user friendly to handle it conveniently. Now I am going to show you the most important feature of this software, which is number ban protection. Other softwares in the market will not give you this feature which our software is giving, and you will definitely like it. Let us explore this feature. Suppose you are creating a campaign for bulk messaging. So while creating a campaign for this, you go to create campaign and I'm typing here something. You can see here this is the text. Here you can see I have used curly brackets and in between this text I have used this symbol. you can see this symbol, which is separating the two words I have written here. There are two words, hello and hey. It means whenever the user is typing something while replying, when chatbot is replying to that user, it will use hello first and then it will use hey. It will not use hello every time, so that the WhatsApp doesn't know that chatbot is replying to it. It means that you can use the personal touch in these messages. Also, one other feature of this is that random message interval per minimum. Here I am showing you the another feature of this, random message interval by minimum and random message interval by maximum. It means that when your bulk messages are being sent, there will be a minimum gap of 20 seconds between it is being sent to two users. Suppose you have sent it to A and B. Whenever the message is sent to the user A, while getting sent to the user B, there will be a difference of 20 seconds. This will save you from getting banned. There is one more feature for number rotation. You can use more numbers. Like if you have logged in to this SocioMatix software with 2 or 3 WhatsApp accounts, suppose you have logged in with A, B, C and you want to send message to 1 to 10 people, then the first message to 1 will be sent by the A account, second message to second number of user will be sent with the B account. Accordingly, it will get rotated to all the users you have selected. I hope you understood the procedure to use this software. If you want to purchase this software, please message on the number displayed on the screen. You will get other details as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the official channel of the SocioMatix. Thank you.